Would you like to eat a healthy, easy and quick pizza? Let me introduce you to the eggplant pizza. Hi, my name is Marianne, I'm a French cook and I'm here to share my best recipes. Today we're making eggplant pizza. Let's have a look at the ingredients. To make the eggplant pizza, you're going to need eggplants, tomato sauce, cheese. This is Comté cheese. You could use mozzarella, you could use Gruyere, whatever cheese you like. Olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's start. So first we remove the extremities and we are also going to remove a thin slice right here and then cut in thick slices. I remove this thin part and then the thick slices. Now we're going to put those eggplant slices on a drip pan covered with parchment paper. And now we're going to brush the eggplants with half of the quantity of olive oil. We're going to sprinkle half the quantity of salt, pepper, flip the eggplants over and start again with the remaining olive oil. And then these are going into a 230 degrees Celsius oven. I'm going to simply flip them and put them back in the oven for 5 to 10 more minutes until golden. While the eggplants are roasting, very simply going to slice this piece of Comté cheese. I like using a knife that's serrated like this. It cuts very well the cheese. So the eggplants have been roasting for 10 minutes and then approximately 7 minutes on the other side. And now we're going to put tomato sauce on top of each slice. Now you put the slices of cheese on top of the tomato sauce. And now this is going under the grill for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is bubbly. And now the eggplant pizza are over. We can transfer them on a plate. And if you wish, you can also put a little bit of basil leaves, arugula, olives, whatever topping you like. Here you go, eggplant pizza. Easy, healthy and quick. And that's it. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.